Good evening, everyone. So my name is Camille Friedrich. I am an AI senior consultant at Wavestone. So let me firstly introduce you to Wavestone. So Wavestone is a consulting firm. I don't know if some of you know this consulting firm. This is a consulting firm that is present in like 17 countries in the world. And this is like a firm of about more than 4,000 employees. Um, y- um, we are both dealing with business and technical subjects, such as, for example, like in assurance, bank, energy, utilities, means of transportation, automotive industry, distribution, luxury and beauty, life sciences, and public sector. So this is a firm where the employees works for many clients, as you can see. And uh, all our clients are all around the world. So, like for example, you just saw AXA, EDF, Accor, L'Oréal, just to name some of them. And so, we are a company that deals with both business and technical challenges, as I just said. And about our AI and data expertise, we are in this firm, you can find experts in data and AI strategy, data governance and management, BI analytics, artificial intelligence, data platform, and all of this, because our clients have many issues that deals with all these subjects. So this is like the main expertise that we have in data. This is all these wide subjects. And now I will tell you a little more about me, about what I did since the MSc in AI. So I worked for these four companies. So firstly, I worked as a data scientist in Crédit Agricole, where I could optimize the analysis of IT audits and remediation of collected incidents. I will tell you more about that later. Then I worked for the Ministère de l'Intérieur as a data and AI expert. Then in Accor Hotel, where I was data scientist in the ESG data departments. And now I'm working in the Groupe BPCE as a Gen AI product manager. So firstly, in Crédit Agricole, the main context of this mission is that the CAGIP SDS department has like a lot of a big volume of incidents to handle. And the goal was to reduce this volume of incidents to handle in order to improve the service quality and to have a better alert analysis. So the goal was to identify the alerts that we can optimize and automatize the remediation. So we have to create a list of guidelines to prioritize for automation, because every incident have a guideline to follow in order to solve the incidents. And we had to identify the guidelines to prioritize that were the most frequently used or the most complex to do manually. So firstly, we study the frequency of use of all the guideline used per week. Then we also study the complexity. So we asked the client, the CAGIPS department, to label all the complexity for all the guidelines in order to identify this prioritized list of guidelines to automate. In this mission, I used like a lot of MSc in AI courses, for example, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and explainability of AI, because I was like a data scientist, so I worked in doing AI model. So of course, it was courses that I used. Then in the Ministère de l'Intérieur, the subject and the context was that the National Agency for Secure Documents would like to redesign its information system, which is named the Vehicle Registration System. This system includes like taxation engine. This is like a software that calculates the amount of taxes or fee to be paid by people with a car. And as this software were redesigned, I needed to secure the ramp up of this new taxation engine during the dual run between the old one and now the new one. And I was an AI expert in this mission, so I worked to build an AI model to compare the old software and the new software. And the goal was to also do some AI-driven proposal to correct if we detected some anomalies. So like this, we can correct them. In that mission, I also use all the MSc in AI courses because I needed some technical credibility, of course, as an AI expert, and also a lot of statistics knowledge and mathematical knowledge because it was all linked. So yeah, I needed that, and also some computer vision in order to identify all the secure documents. Then in my Accor Hotel mission, I worked as a data scientist in the ESG department. So the context was like the ESG Accor department would like to establish a new vision of performance. Performance is based on data, of course. And so I needed to manage this data to achieve the group's objectives. So I implemented all the data collection pipelines for all over the 5,000 hotels worldwide. I also established a new standard of data quality and a correction process, for example, based on AI models. I also used AI tools to predict the goal achievements. Every year, the hotels and the regions of the world had goals, and so I predicted if they will reach the goal or not. And I also use the data to do data visualization pipelines and dashboards to present the results to the C-levels. In that mission also, I used machine learning, statistics, mathematics, and optimization because it was all the base and the requirements to do all the AI models of prediction and also the data visualization pipelines. And now in Groupe BPCE, I am like a data manager, a Gen AI data manager. So the context is that the group is investing in generative AI and is now equipped itself with a new tool like a ChatGPT-like system within their secure group environments. And the idea is that generative AI is now increasingly becoming a part of employees' daily routines. So the challenge of this firm is to reduce the data leak risks from insecure use of ChatGPT type tools from their employees. So we need to have a secure ChatGPT-like tool in the secure environments, and a tool that is good enough to be sure that employees will not use ChatGPT for their professional needs. So my goal in that mission is to ensure that more than 50% of the employees of this firm, so about 50,000 people, will use as a daily basis this tool. So the method to do that is like I do a lot of go-to-markets and innovative features to have a good tool, to have a tool that is useful for everyone in their daily life, professional daily life. So I developed diverse models in this tool, like we have to have Gemini, GPT, Claude, we have to have many models. We also need to have features that are useful for the employees, such as document upload, integration with Outlook, Teams, SharePoint. We also have some assistants that have a great value for the businesses, such as assistants specialized in a specific task, which is useful for one type of business. I also manage an agile team, such as developer, data scientist, of course. We need to be a very awareness team to ensure adoption by all, regardless of their sensitivity to AI, because we have, of course, a lot of profile in this firm. Even if some people are not very aware of AI, we need to propose them a tool that is good enough for them. The result is that yes, we have a great growth. We scaled from a tool used by 10,000 users in July 2024 to over more than like 45,000 users by April of this year. So this is a great growth. And I think that the contribution of the MSc in AI in this mission is like the MSc taught me how to be able to understand new technologies, because GenAI is a new technology and we have to always learn about new technology and be aware of these new technologies. And I put everything in the MSc because MSc taught me how to learn things and how to understand how AI works. Even if this is now a new technology, I know how it works. So yeah, this is quite cool, I think. And yes, that's all. Thank you.